Welcome. In this video, we're looking at another scripting tool called Red Hawk. And like before, let's go ahead and we want to make sure everything is on our desktop. Just makes it simpler for the videos. They don't have to be, but that's where I like to do them. GitHub, Red Hawk. And that should be the appropriate one. Okay, that's the appropriate one. Red_Hawk. Yep. I want to see what's there. I want to look through the README real quick. That's what it's going to look like. Features. Oh, it does do CMS detection like WordPress and Drupal, Whois, Nmap, NSLookup. So again, this is more of a web-based option or a web-based vulnerability scanning tool. Here's how we install it, usages, known issues, and they do have a video tutorial. Git clone, paste our link in. That should put it on our desktop. We want to change directories to Red Hawk, ls. Notice it's a PHP command or a PHP file, so PHP, Red Hawk PHP. If you don't do the PHP, it won't open that up in correctly. So first thing I want to do, we have a help fix domain. Well, help, what can we do with it? We can do a help, view all the help. Fix will install all required modules. Since we're doing this for the first time, yes, we want to do fix. And then number 3 would be the URL. It is going to download and install all of the items that it needs. Just for time's sake, I'm going to pause the video while this downloads everything. Alright, so it didn't take too long. What we can now do is type in our domain, google.com. HTTP enabled? Yes, it is. Notice that's the current IP address. That's the web server. It did not detect any CMS on it. The robot files are located at that location. And I'm almost positive that for what we're trying to do, Google was not the best option. So let's go ahead and try a different one. Yes. I happen to work at DNS or CSN. I do have permission to do this. But you'll notice that it could not find the appropriate CMS. It did not find Cloudflare. It didn't find any robots. And so immediately started a Whois lookup. Who is the registrar, the administrative contacts, name servers, when the domain expires. It's GeoIP lookup. That's kind of interesting. Our GeoIP lookup is pointed to the wrong state. It would try to pull the HTTP headers. It will do a DNS lookup for all of the name servers and different types of DNS records. It even does a subnet calculation, which I do kind of like. An Nmap port scan. A subdomain. And all of the appropriate IPs that are associated with that subdomain. We have a lot of subdomains there. Reverse IP lookups. csn.edu, that's our big one. We're an education institution. We partner with like City of Irvine and other areas. SQL vulnerability. So here we're going to do our crawlers. We have to select one. So we're going to do the more light version, 69. It's going to look for a admin portal or the admin panel. It didn't detect our admin portal or our CMS, so I'm hoping it does not find the admin portal. At least I'm kind of hoping. All right, well, that's running. I'm going to go ahead and pause it again. All right, so it's been running for a little while, so I did end up killing it. That website particularly should not have found anything. I'm going to go ahead and do one more, rts-nv.com. Again, I have the permission to do it on this website. The appropriate web server. It did find the CMS being WordPress. It did find some subdomains. Wow, again, wrong state. I'm in Nevada, so it should be finding Nevada. That's the Via West IP address, which our traffic may go out to Arizona before it hits the internet, but I'm almost positive it does not. Appropriate registrar information. Content actually does have certain sub folders. Interesting, it is finding the appropriate subdomains. That's the main one. Email, SharePoint, support, and general web server. Reverse lookup did find that there are several domains pointed to this box. I also run arthur-training.com. That's an FTP site for students. Crawlers. I'm going to do 69. And I actually do have the admin panel set up for 2 sites, so it should find them. I'm going to pause it while it scans. And it did find one WordPress login page. And actually, I'm going to stop it there because it's going to find more, and I know that, but I have given permission to show that one. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.